He's freaking out about something.
It's all my fault, V. It's all my fault. Regina and Chad got captured, and it's all my fault.
Captured by who?
The Project Zorgo hackers, of course.
What? How did that happen?
I told Chad that we should get his comic book inspected, and then we found this hacker guy called the Sage, and then the Sage told us that GKC meant Gifted Kids Center.
I thought it was Gatekeeper's Company or something like that.
No. He told us that, which is really cool until he captured Chad.
What?
Yeah.
You didn't help him?
So then I called Regina to go help Chad. I gave her a nice disguise and everything, and it didn't work. She got captured too.
I go on one mission by myself, and everything just falls apart.
See what happens when you're not around, V?
Daniel! We gotta go save them, right?
We gotta go into the Black Pyramid, into the basement, and rescue them. I screwed all this up. I'll go sacrifice myself.
Better. Oh, wait, my phone's ringing. Is it Chad?
Who's that?
Oh, wait. I don't know who that
Did
is.
you even answer that?
Qwaint.
That's PC6.
What are you doing calling us, burnt face?
By now, I'm sure you've seen the latest video on the Project Zorgo channel.
Did you see the video?
I didn't see it.
I didn't see it either. But you're subscribed to them?
Yeah, I'm subscribed to them.
I'm subscribed, but I don't have my notification on. Okay, gotta turn it on.
You fool. You go watch it right now. I'll wait right here.
Let's go watch it.
Hey, attention all Project Zorgo members.
PZ409? What is she doing on a Project Zorgo video?
I thought the PZ leader is the one that's doing all these announcements.
What happened to him?
It seems like he's social distancing.
Oh.
We also have Chad and Regina locked here in the
Oh.
headquarters.
That's Chad and Regina!
Regina! See, I told you I screwed up.
They're actually captured! Okay, Burnface, we watched it. We know you have Chad and Regina. What do you want?
We will release one of the spy ninjas in exchange for Perlita, and you must bring the bag full of items she stole from Project Zorgo.
She stole something from Project Zorgo?
What'd she steal?
Is it that bag?
That bag with your phone and Chad's phone and the comic book and the
All of our
cassettes.
childhood stuff? Project Zorgo had possession of that? That's the reason why Perlita came here looking all tired and beat up, because she had to defeat Project Zorgo members to get that bag.
Nice job, Perlita.
Yeah.
So we gotta give it back, and we gotta get Perlita back.
If you don't bring everything, you will never see your friends again. 2 p.m. at the park. No monkey business.
Hey!
Hello? Oh my gosh, Daniel, what are we gonna do? We don't have Perlita.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I got an idea. I got a plan. Look, it's Perlita's old clothes.
What are you gonna do with it?
Remember that one time Regina dressed up as Perlita and went in disguise?
Yeah?
I wanna do it, too.
Okay.
It seems fun.
Oh.
If I just pretend to be Perlita and say, here I am, they'll take me, but they'll give one of the spy ninjas back, and then you know me, I'll just barge out of there, no problem. Yeah?
You've been dressing up a lot lately.
Yeah, name one time I dressed up.
When you're in the army gear, makeup on your face,
That was cool, yeah.
and then you were on the ghillie suit.
Yeah, just like Melvin.
You were Elmo, Green Lantern. I don't know, you're dressing up on a lot of people.
You see Elmo?
I did.
You don't act like you never dressed up before either. You were Hopper from Stranger Things, Veronica Qwaint, Yoda that one time. How about the Blue Man girl?
All right. We like dressing up. It's pretty fun.
How do I look?
Wow, looking good. But you know what used to look a lot like Daniel? And Perlita has that face mask?
You're right. Well, she's made of paper. How hard can it be?
Yeah, let's DIY this.
Okay, that looks pretty good. Check it out.
Whoa! Daniel, that's a spy ninja bandana.
Oh,
what's going on? You're gonna go undercover and you just got caught in a cupboard. This is why Daniel and Regina got captured by Project Zorgo.
It's gonna be fine. Look at me. I bet I look exactly like Perlita if you put a picture right there. Which one's which?
That's true. Maybe you're the master of disguise.
Maybe I am.
Daniel, the key thing about Perlita is she speaks Spanish. Do you know any?
Asi.
Oh!
Did that work?
Muy bien. Burnface also mentioned in exchange for Perlita and the bag of stuff that Perlita took from them. But I don't really want to give the bag back, right? Because all the information about my childhood and also Chad's childhood is in there.
Yeah.
And you haven't solved everything yet, right?
We can't give that back yet, or ever. But we still have the same bag it came in, right? When Perlita delivered it to us?
It's right here. We can just use that and put a bunch of other stuff in there so
Yeah.
Project Zorgo won't know.
Just make it heavy and trick them.
Could bring stuff like tennis balls, a little Fortnite squishy,
Nerf
arrow.
Yeah.
Oh, jinx!
Oh,
We're...
I just gleeked. You see that?
You're so disgusting. Should we give him some CWC merch?
Yeah, let's do it as a in your face. The spy ninjas gotcha.
Yeah, tricked ya. Our calling card. This slime. Helmet. Nice and full.
Oh, I have one more thing we can put in there.
What?
Douglas!
No, Daniel.
But he's ready for a mission.
Daniel, this is serious. We need to rescue Chad and Regina. I don't think Douglas is gonna help in this mission. He can help in another one.
Well, how about Douglas?
Douglas?
Oh,
No more Durglas. We gotta go. It's almost 2 p.m.
Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, we're here at the park.
It's 2 o'clock. Where
Yeah.
are they? Do you know any Spanish words? What if they quiz you or they say something?
Yeah, I've been practicing. I only know like 2 Spanish words.
Oh, what is it?
Ay, que lindo.
What does that mean?
I think it means how beautiful. Don't tell anybody I said that, okay?
Okay.
Do you know any Spanish words?
Hola?
Well, of course. Hola.
El pollo loco?
El pollo loco. So if I just go up to the hacker and say, hola, el pollo loco.
Yeah.
Ay, que lindo. That sounds convincing.
Sounds pretty good.
I think we got scammed, V. There's nobody here.
Look who's approaching us.
Oh gosh. Oh, they're coming.
Get that mask on. Wait. Come on, hurry, Perlitas. They're coming.
About time you guys showed up.
Hola, ay, qué lindo, el pollo loco.
I'm glad to see you brought Perlita.
Perlita, come back on the side real quick. Come back too close.
Because we brought Chad Wild Clay. That's a fair exchange, right? Chad for Perlita and the items you stole from us. We know you stole from us because you left your trash. We found that at the headquarters.
Perlita! Daniel, does that look like Chad to you? It looks similar, but I don't know if it's him.
That's my husband. That's your husband, V. No doubt about it.
I'm not quite sure. Let's do this exchange and don't worry. I got your back. And if that's Chad, he'll help.
So I'm gonna give him the bag and myself, but I'm gonna run out of there.
Oh yeah. I'm ready for the exchange. Perlita for Chad.
And those stolen items, too.
Oh yes, we have the stolen items too.
Well, fork it over.
Here you go, Perlita.
Here you go.
Give it up. Take your trash back. Take Chad Wild Clay. Perlita, come here.
Who is Perlita?
Perlita.
Whoa, what the heck?
Chad? What's going on? Chad? Be careful!
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh! Oh no!
You're coming with us, too, V.
Get out of here! Oh my gosh! Face, get out of me!
I've got you, V.
Let me go!
I got a secret weapon for you, V. Qwaint.
What is? Oh
Parmesan cheese.
no! What is this?
Parmesan cheese.
It went into my mouth! I'm lactose intolerant! PC715! What are you trying to do? Oh my gosh, this is so disgusting! Who carries cheese?
Well, now you're coming back to the headquarters with us.
What's going on, burn face?
Melvin!
Looks like you needed some help, V.
Yeah, thanks for coming!
I'll take care of burn face too.
Go ahead, V. Exact your revenge.
Oh my god! Twister! Oh no! Say Qwaint is the best! Say Qwaint is the best! Oh my gosh, I think he's foaming in the mouth. Let's go, Melvin!
Dang, V, you didn't need my help at all.
That was awesome, right? You see that flip?
Yeah, you totally beat Burnface. He's a powerful hacker.
See these muscles? Don't let the camera fool you. They're huge.
I'm not gonna help you out every time. Everybody gets one.
Thanks for coming, though, Melvin. That's really awesome of you. Oh my gosh, Melvin. Daniel's captured. Regina's captured. Chad's captured. That's 3 out of the 4 Spy Ninjas. Everyone's missing now.
Well, that's unfortunate. Watching Daniel get taken was pretty brutal.
Do you think they're gonna come after me next? Wait, did you tell them the safe house location by any chance?
No, they would have been here already.
Well, we gotta come up with a plan to save all of them.
3 Spy Ninjas down and only 1 left. And 1 ex-Spy Ninja.
And ex-Project Zorgo.
So it looks like you might need my help. I'm still cool with doing good things. I'm not full evil. Plus, my subscriber base doesn't like it when I do bad things.
That was actually really awesome, you saving me there.
I just happen to be at that park. That's my go-to spot.
You down to help me save Daniel, Regina, and Chad?
I'm down. I can't fit in that little vent tunnel thing that you go down.
Yeah, no one can except me and PZ2. So we gotta go to the back door. And there's always a bunch of hackers guarding that back door. Remember when you were a Spy Ninja? We always go in disguises. And Chad went in disguises and he got into the Project Zorgo headquarters.
Yeah, but he didn't make it out. No matter which disguise Chad is in, he just sticks out like a sore thumb.
We saved Chad, and then we got 3 Spy Ninjas. We saved Regina, we got 4, and then we saved Daniel, we got 4.5.
You know, it's so crazy. It just might work.
When Chad went in there, I think he was dressed as a superhero.
Spider Chad? He's so in love with Spider-Man.
A little too much sometimes. Oh, so maybe we should dress up as superheroes.
I think we'll have a good chance. I do know the Project Zorgo headquarters a lot better than all y'all.
I've been in the tunnels the most, so I think I know way more about the headquarters than you.
Well, you know about its ventilation system, the HVAC. Chad probably just got lost, and that won't happen to either of us.
That's true. Let's go. Suit up.
Yup!
Sub-Zero.
Whoa, looking good, Melvin. I can't even tell that it's you.
It feels weird to wear a mask again, that's for sure.
Gosh, I feel like I need a mask. Cover this up a little bit. Maybe you can just go in front of me. Go like this. Project Zorgo hackers are kind of dum-dums, you know?
Let's put them to the test.
Let's take your truck, Melvin.
Mission time!
Kick bomb!
Wrist check!
Kick bomb!
Check!
Hey, Melvin, Sub-Zero, are you ready to save Chad, Daniel, and Regina?
Finish him!
What does Harley Quinn say, do you know?
We're bad guys, it's what we do!
We're bad guys, that's what we do! You ready to battle some hackers?
Absolutely! Fatality!
There's the back entrance. There's always hackers guarding.
One hacker.
Look, Melvin, see right there in this pocket? He got some keys dangling. I'm gonna use my small, stealthy spy skills and take that out of his jacket, and we can use that to walk smoothly in.
Wow, that doesn't sound like something Harley Quinn would do.
I'm still V, I'm just dressed up like Harley Quinn, alright?
I'm Sub-Zero! I don't know how he talks.
Okay, ready?
Follow your lead, V.
Stay low. He's just throwing rocks around.
What an idiot.
Is he dancing?
Yeah, keys. Oh,
Got keys. Oh. Did he see us?
he's just going back and forth.
So when he goes back that way, I'm gonna go ahead and take his keys. I'm gonna stay low.
Oh, there's the keys.
I'm not a spy ninja anymore, sorry. I should have done that from the start.
Okay, we got the keys. Let's go in. That wasn't really my preferred method, but it actually worked this time.
Well, yeah,
Thanks!
because I was here.
I could have handled that. Here, use the keys.
Finish him!
Come on. We gotta get Chad. Oh, shit.
What floor? Wait a minute. No, this cannot be happening, no. I must be dreaming. I am the luckiest hacker in the whole world. It happened again, superheroes. Harley Quinn, I'm a huge fan.
Oh, that's me!
Oh, and Sub-Zero. Wow, it's a pleasure to meet you. Oh my goodness.
Don't touch me.
Oh.
We don't do that right now. We can do a little elbow. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh gosh.
Oh wow. No. This is fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Okay, stop. I don't like that anymore.
Wow. I've always dreamed to do that with Harley Quinn.
Well, don't you dare do it to me, unless you want to get frostbite.
Let's take the picture. I would love to take it to Walgreens and then post it on my MySpace account.
MySpace? That's still active?
Of course, it's how we all stay in communication during these hard times.
Alright, but can you bring us to the prisoners? You know, the spy ninjas?
Well, of course. Let's take that selfie then. Is that what you call it?
Then take us to the floors
Okay.
below zero.
Oh, let's say cheese. Cheese. Oh, thank you so much, Harley Quinn. Oh, you guys would like to see the spy ninjas?
Oh, yes, please.
Well, you two deserve to see anything you'd like to. Let me take you to the floor.
I can't wait. It gives me the chills.
Great puns. You should have used some of those on Polita.
Now, I must warn you guys, the spy ninjas are high-profile prisoners. Be careful down there.
Don't worry. I'll put them on ice.
Oh. Make sure you email that picture to me, okay? I gotta get it developed as soon as I can.
Don't you just airdrop it?
Airdrop it? What are you talking about? Oh, there you go.
Let's go. Thank you. Bye.
It was ice to meet you.
Oh.
Open this door!
The prisoner rooms are right ahead. I'll check the left side and you can check the right.
Sounds good. Don't betray us.
Yeah.
It's super dark, so be careful.
You too. They won't be able to see your awesome disguise, but they'll definitely hear your weak accent.
Come on, man.
Maybe it's time I go save him.
Why don't you leave him alone? It's time to feel some frostbite. What do you think about that, PC9 with the beard? Oh, ow! You're not fooling anyone, Melvin! And you're not hurting anyone with those punches. Oh! It's time for you to chill out.
Melvin, is that?
It's super dark in here, but I think I found my way. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. It's that Chad right there. That's him. Oh, there's a hacker. I'm gonna go and sneak right there.
Chad, are you gonna tell us where your safe house is?
Yeah, I'll tell you where it is. Up your butt.
Think you're a real wise guy, huh?
Chad is tied to a chair.
If you really know what's good for you, tell me where Perlita is.
You mean, donde está Perlita?
See.
You know a little Spanish, huh?
Oh, I know a lot of things. Except for the location of Perlita and where your safe house is and...
She just left out of nowhere. We were just in the truck with her at McDonald's, and all of a sudden, poof, disappeared.
Maybe I should ask you some things. What's the password to the red safe?
Good job, Chad.
They don't tell us that.
Oh, you're not a high enough level hacker to know that?
I will be. Leader told me next week. He's gonna tell me the first number.
We've been trying to crack that red safe forever. Leave a comment down below if you guys still have any guesses. We do try it every day. Sometimes you don't do it on camera, just in case Project Circle's watching.
Wow, the first number. If my hands weren't tied, I'd give you an applause right now. Like that. There we go.
You're not giving me any information I want to know, so I guess you'll just have to rot in this chair.
Oh, wait, shh.
Melvin, what are you doing here?
I could ask myself the same thing.
I knew it the whole time! You let the spy ninjas and your Project Zorgo member, you betrayed us, you backstabbing dog!
Relax, did you just see me kick a PV member?
You're loopy and you just beat up your own friends, whether they're us or whether they're Project Zorgo members.
Well, I guess maybe if V makes it over here to save you, then I'll see you later.
You're gonna save me?
Yeah, you numbnuts!
Oh, well, I mean, I guess sure, you can just untie me from the back and then we'll sort out our differences later.
I don't know, man. You sure have a lot of resentment towards me.
Yeah, I have every right to. All the spy ninjas don't like you right now. But I mean, you could fix it right now if you just untie me, all right?
Earlier, when I saved V, I had the opportunity to save you instead too, but V has more subscribers, so I saved her first. I'm sorry, Daniel.
Hey!
I watched the whole thing happen, and I did save you.
What the?
Hey, relax.
I'm here to save you now.
I don't really want you to be the one who saved me, but whatever. You really did save me.
If you're so vengeful, then fine, beat me up.
Let's just get out of here. I don't care. I'm just gonna go back to the safe house.
Don't leave just yet. I don't know who V is saving right now, but we just gotta look for Chad or Regina.
All right, I guess just for this one moment in time, we'll try to help them together. But after that, I never want to see you again, okay?
I've helped out a lot already. You just don't know. You'd be busy getting captured and stuff.
Let's just go.
Oh, who's calling? Your girlfriend?
None of your business. Hello? No. Those one is busy guarding the prisoner. You want me to go all the way over there?
I'll block you, okay? You take this. I'll pretend I'm still tied up. Tie up his feet. Let's get out of here. Okay. What the heck are you doing? Damn. Hey, what are you doing, Daniel? Let's get out of here right now.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Hacker! Let's get out of here, guys! Let's go! Let's go! Wait, did you guys get Regina?
I looked through all the prisoner rooms and I didn't see anybody.
She is a master of disguise. Maybe she figured out a way to escape. If she wasn't in there, she must be fine.
Oh, I hope so. We should just cut our losses and get out of here before we're all captured again.
What are you talking about? We do not leave spy ninjas behind.
Let's just get out of here. I think she's fine. Go!
Oh, the alarm is sounding. They must know we're in here.
We gotta get out now. Let's go!
Wait, guys.